English tip by tip.
Tip 68. Clothing. Women. Dressmaker. Ball dress. Dress. Skirt. Blouse. Pants. Blazer. Coat. Colored sock. High heel shoes. Low heel shoes. Boots. Sport shoes. T-shirt. Shorts. Socks. Bathrobe. Slippers. Nightgown. What happened? Maria won the lottery and renewed the entire wardrobe. In addition to 3 dresses, she also bought 2 pairs of long pants, 2 skirts, 2 shoes, and several socks. Of course, she also bought a ball dress for the New Year's Eve party. She thinks that will be enough for now, since in July she will travel to Italy and will intend to buy some clothes there. Tip 68. Exercise. Answer.
What would you do if you win the lottery?
Probably I would buy a house.
Would you go to my birthday party?
Yes, I would.
How would you dress for my party?
I would dress casual.
Were you invited to the New Year's Eve party?
Yes, I was.
What would your party dress be?
Would be casual.
Would you wear high heels for the country club?
No, never. What can I dress? I'll go to my niece's graduation. Ball dress. And high heel shoes. I'll go to the beach. T-shirt. And skirt. I'll go to Maria's birthday party. Dress. And low heel shoes. I'll go to work. Pants. And low heel shoes. I'll travel to London this afternoon. Coat. And high heel shoes.
Please subscribe to the channel. Not to miss any tip. Please share it to your friends.